شرط الآلانا والحق راضي حق الأبنانا أمن الأطرقان شرط الأعلانا والحق.
What do you mean by internet? The internet is a vast network that connects computers all over the world. And now in this world there are so many persons, and some of them are good and some of them are bad persons. Let's keep aside the good people and talk about the bad people, from where we are having risk. For getting secure from these bad people, the term arrives, which means cyber safety. Now, what do you mean by cyber safety? Cyber safety means nothing but being secure online. In short, the online environment is life with threats to our safety and security. Cyber safety helps to avoid those risks but also helps to protect against their consequences. Now let's learn how a normal person can use internet securely. But before that, let's talk about the hackers. Who are hackers? Hackers are the person who uses a computer to look or change information on another computer without permission. Now let's talk about how we can get secure from them. So here are some points that you have to follow while using internet. First point is always use complex passwords instead of simple ones. Weak passwords always play a major role in any hack. For the ease of user, sometimes applications do not enforce password complexity. And as a result of that, users use simple password such as password 123, password @123, or some people use their own mobile numbers. Weak password does not always mean length and the characters used. It also means the guessability. Name @12345, it looks quite complex password but can be guessable. So do not use password related to the name, place or mobile number. Weak passwords can be guessable or attacker can easily guess it and easily hack your device or any account. Second point is be aware of HTTPS. Now what is HTTPS? HTTPS stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. In so many websites you have seen, when you open the Chrome browser, you have seen that HTTPS is written. But in so many, maybe you have seen that HTTP is written. In some websites where HTTP is only written, means Hypertext Transfer Protocol is only written, that websites are not secure. And websites which are with S, means Hypertext Transfer Protocol secure, that websites are the only websites which are highly secured website and can be trustable. third point is do not use public Wi-Fi. Always use your private Wi-Fi, because in public Wi-Fi there can be some hacker that want that someone connect to its Wi-Fi so that he can hack that device. So never connect any public Wi-Fi. Fourth point is never share your OTP with anyone. One-time password OTP. Thefts are most common social engineering frauds and the most common form of phishing frauds in India. Lakhs of rupees have been stolen using this method, but only a few culprits get apprehended, means get arrested. So never share your OTP with anyone, no matter whoever calls you. Never give away your confidential OTP over a phone call, WhatsApp or email. Bank officials never ask for OTP, which means that the person asking for your OTP is trying to hack your any account or trying to withdraw money from your bank account. Fifth and the last point is never write your password or any personal information anywhere, because it can be a best way for the hacker to hack your any device, account or withdraw money from your bank account. So never write your personal information or password anywhere. Like some people used to write their password on their wallet, credit card, debit card, so that they can't get forget during the withdrawal of the money. But they don't know this type of behavior can harm their money as well as their account. So never write your personal information anywhere. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it and thanks for watching.